In this tutorial, I will show you that how can delete Google account permanently on Android. So let's dive right in. From your home page, you can open Google and from right top side, you'll find here this profile picture. Click on that. It will show you your Google account here. If you click on this arrow, it will show you your all Google accounts. To select a one that you want to delete. So I'm selecting this one. After selecting your account that you want to delete, again click on that and click on this Google account. You will be on this home page. If you swipe it left side, you'll find here some of more options. You need to open this data and privacy. Scroll down. At the end, you'll find here this delete your Google account. Open it. So firstly, we have to confirm that it's our account. Click on this continue. After confirming it, it will open up like this. Download your data, and if you scroll it down, you will get this. Some of the apps that are connected to this Google account. So if you want to delete this Google account permanently, you can simply check it and click on this delete account. It will take you to this new page where you can get this notification your Google account and its data have been deleted. So that's how you can delete Google account permanently on Android in just few easy steps.